In this video, we will cover the implementation requirements for ISO 13485, which is the international standard for quality management systems in the medical device industry. ISO 13485 is a comprehensive standard that outlines the requirements for a quality management system specifically designed for medical device manufacturers and distributors. To successfully implement ISO 13485, you need to understand its key requirements and how they apply to your organization. The key requirement is senior management commitment. Top leadership must demonstrate their dedication to quality and be actively involved in the implementation process. This commitment is often reflected in the development and communication of a quality policy that aligns with the standard's principles. The quality policy must include your company's quality objectives and targets. The primary aim of these objectives is to ensure that they are aligned to deliver on positive outcomes for the patient. So think these objectives through and make them practical, aligning them with your business processes, bearing in mind that one should be able to monitor and track progress towards achieving them. ISO 13485 mandates the establishment of a robust quality management system that covers various aspects of your organization's operations. You'll need to create and maintain documented procedures for document control, risk management, design and development, and more. Product realization is a critical aspect. It involves defining processes for product design, development, manufacturing, and service provision. You must ensure that your products meet the required quality standards and safety regulations. ISO 13485 emphasizes the importance of measurement, analysis, and monitoring of processes to ensure product conformity. Regular calibration of equipment and monitoring of customer feedback are essential components. Managing risk is a key requirement. Identify and assess risks associated with your processes and implement controls to mitigate them. This helps ensure the safety and effectiveness of your medical devices. ISO 13485 also requires strict adherence to regulatory requirements in the regions where your products are sold.
In South Africa, SAPRA have indicated that all companies that manufacture and distribute medical devices
will be required to obtain ISO 13485 certification before April 1st, 2025 in order to apply or renew medical device licenses. One is also required to stay updated on regulations and make necessary adjustments to your processes accordingly. Continual improvement is at the heart of ISO 13485. Regularly review your quality management system and processes to identify areas for enhancement. Encourage employee involvement and feedback to drive continuous improvement. Ensure that your staff is trained and competent to perform their roles effectively. This includes training records, skill assessments, and maintaining a competent workforce. Implementing ISO 13485 requires dedication, commitment, and a systematic approach to quality management. By adhering to these key requirements, your organization can not only achieve ISO 13485 certification, but also consistently deliver safe and effective medical devices to improve patient outcomes. In conclusion, remember that the point of ISO 13485 certification is to deliver on medical device performance and efficacy so that patient care is optimized.